Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to do multiple pre-moves in chess.com mobile. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on chess.com, click on the sign up option, and from here you can use your Apple account, your Google account, you can even use your Facebook, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Okay, so basically pre-moving multiple moves allows you to save crucial time in a fast-paced games, especially in blitz or bullet formats where every second counts, and by planning ahead and executing multiple pre-moves, you can gain a significant time advantage over your opponent. Not only that, in complex positions where the subsequent moves are somewhat predictable or forced, you can confidently pre-move several moves ahead. That means it can be effective in tactical sequences or endgames with limited viable moves. Now let's do that in our mobile phone. All you have to do is open the chess.com app on your mobile device. Now once you are on the chess.com mobile device, I need you to hover to the hamburger menu, which is at the bottom right corner, which says more, and I need you to click on the settings. Now once you are here, all you have to do is search for the timer button, alright, because from there you would be able to see the option that says enable pre-moves. It's available under the live chess. Okay, now, if by any chance you can't find the live chess option on your mobile device, you might just gonna hover here on your PC version, click on the settings, and click on the live chess option. Right? Now, as you can see, all you have to do is click on the pre-moves option. And when you do that, what will happen is you're gonna be having a psychological pressure on your opponent, because when you have a strong position or are confident in your strategy, pre-moving multiple moves can reinforce your advantage and demonstrate control over the game. Of course, it can showcase your tactical foresight and planning abilities, and it's very essential to use it only in appropriate situations. Remember that you need to always stay vigilant and be ready to adapt your strategy based on the evolving game dynamics. Now, by using the pre-moving multiple moves, you can see multiple pre-moves executed rapidly, and it can unsettle your opponent and force them to make your hasty or less optimal decisions. Alright? And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.